Toucans are colorful and distinctive birds known for their large, colorful bills. Here's an overview of the life of a toucan. Habitat. Toucans are native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. They inhabit a variety of forest types, including rainforests, montane forests, and savannas. Diet. The diet of toucans primarily consists of fruits, but they also eat insects, small reptiles, and bird eggs. Their bills are adapted for plucking and slicing fruits, and they have a specialized tongue for manipulating food. Social structure. Toucans are generally social birds and are often seen in small flocks. They communicate with each other through various vocalizations, including croaks, clacks, and yelps. Reproduction. Toucans typically nest in tree hollows. They lay 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs. After hatching, both parents are involved in caring for the chicks. Bill function. The large, colorful bills of toucans are not only a striking feature but also serve several functions. They help in reaching fruit on branches, regulating body temperature, and may play a role in courtship displays. Flight. Toucans have short, rounded wings and a relatively large body, which makes their flight somewhat slow and undulating. However, they are capable of agile movements through the dense forest canopy. Nocturnal roosting. At night, toucans roost in the trees. They often choose tree cavities or other sheltered spots to rest and sleep, providing protection from nocturnal predators. Unique tongue structure. Toucans have a unique tongue structure with hair-like projections called papillae. This adaptation allows them to grasp and manipulate food efficiently. Playful behavior. Toucans are known for their playful behavior, engaging in activities such as tossing and catching fruit with their bills. This behavior may serve social or developmental purposes. Molting. Like other birds, toucans undergo molting, a process of shedding and replacing feathers. Molting helps maintain their plumage in optimal condition for flight and insulation. Predators. Toucans face predation from a variety of animals, including snakes, birds of prey, and mammals. Their colorful bills and plumage may serve as a form of aposematism, warning potential predators of their unpalatability. Conservation concerns. Some toucan species face threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal pet trade, and hunting. Conservation efforts focus on preserving their natural habitats and raising awareness about the importance of protecting these unique birds. Toucans contribute to the biodiversity of tropical ecosystems, playing a role in seed dispersal as they consume fruits and move through the forest. Their vibrant colors and distinctive features make them not only ecologically important but also popular subjects of interest for bird enthusiasts and researchers. Distinctive bill colors. The bills of toucans come in a variety of vibrant colors, including shades of green, yellow, orange, and red. These bright colors contribute to their unique and striking appearance. Species diversity. There are over 40 species of toucans, and they vary in size and coloration. Some well-known species include the keel-billed toucan, chestnut-mandibled toucan, and toko toucan. Nesting behavior. Toucans do not build nests in the conventional sense. Instead, they often use tree cavities created by other animals or natural processes. They may also modify the cavities to suit their nesting needs. Long lifespan. Toucans have a relatively long lifespan compared to many other bird species. In captivity, they can live for several decades. Their lifespan in the wild can be influenced by factors such as predation, disease, and environmental conditions. Communication. Toucans communicate through a variety of vocalizations. These can include calls, croaks, and beak clattering. Vocalizations are important for maintaining social bonds, establishing territory, and coordinating within the flock. Seed dispersal. Toucans play a crucial role in seed dispersal within their ecosystems. After consuming fruits, they excrete seeds in different locations, contributing to the regeneration of plant species and maintaining forest diversity. Thermoregulation. The large bills of toucans are thought to aid in thermoregulation. By regulating blood flow to the bill, they can dissipate excess body heat, helping them stay cool in the tropical environments they inhabit. Hygiene behavior. Toucans are known for their hygiene behavior, which includes using their bills to preen and clean their feathers. This grooming activity helps maintain the health and waterproofing of their plumage. Migration patterns. While some toucan species are sedentary, others may undertake seasonal movements in search of food resources. These movements can vary depending on factors such as food availability and weather conditions. Interactions with other wildlife. Toucans share their habitats with various other wildlife, including monkeys, other bird species, and insects. These interactions contribute to the complex ecological relationships within tropical ecosystems. Intelligence. Toucans are considered intelligent birds. They are curious and may engage in exploratory behaviors. Their problem-solving abilities and adaptability contribute to their success in diverse environments. Adaptations to forest canopy life. Toucans are well adapted to life in the forest canopy. Their short, rounded wings and strong flight muscles enable them to navigate through the dense vegetation and cover large distances. Understanding the nuances of toucan biology and behavior adds depth to our appreciation of these charismatic birds. Each species has its own unique characteristics, contributing to the rich tapestry of avian life in the tropical regions they call home. Courtship and mating displays. Toucans engage in elaborate courtship displays, which may involve the exchange of food between mates, mutual preening, and vocalizations. These displays strengthen the pair bond and play a role in the selection of a mate. Role in indigenous cultures. In some indigenous cultures in Central and South America, toucans hold symbolic significance. They are featured in folklore, art, and rituals, representing various aspects such as abundance, spirituality, and protection. Unique zygomatic bone structure. Toucans have a unique and extended zygomatic bone that supports their large bills. This adaptation allows them to maintain a lightweight structure while still having a robust bill for feeding and other functions. Nesting site selection. Toucans are known to be selective in choosing nesting sites. They often opt for tree cavities that are at a suitable height, providing safety from ground predators and potential flooding during heavy rains. Relationship with fruit trees. Toucans contribute to forest dynamics by playing a role in the dispersal of seeds from the fruits they consume. This relationship with fruit-bearing trees helps maintain the health and diversity of forest ecosystems. Feeding in groups. Toucans often feed in small groups, particularly during times of abundant fruit availability. Group feeding may serve multiple purposes, including increased foraging efficiency and providing protection against predators. Ability to regurgitate seeds. Toucans have a unique ability to regurgitate seeds after consuming fruit. This behavior aids in the dispersal of seeds over a wider area, promoting the growth of diverse plant species. Vocal mimicry. Some toucan species, like the channel-billed toucan, are known for their vocal mimicry. They can imitate the calls of other bird species, adding another layer to their communication repertoire. Hollow bill structure. Despite their large size, toucan bills are relatively lightweight due to their hollow structure. This adaptation allows them to carry and manipulate their bills with greater ease. Nocturnal roosting. Toucans typically roost in tree cavities at night for protection against nocturnal predators. During this time, they may huddle together with other toucans for added safety, feeding on insects and small animals. While toucans are primarily frugivorous, they also consume insects, small reptiles, and bird eggs. This dietary flexibility contributes to their ability to adapt to changing food availability. Parental investment. Both male and female toucans contribute to parental care. They take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks after hatching. The cooperative effort enhances the chances of successful reproduction. The life of toucans is a fascinating blend of ecological interactions, behavioral adaptations, and cultural significance. These birds, with their vibrant colors and unique features, continue to captivate the imagination of people around the world. Bill swiping behavior. Toucans are known for their bill swiping behavior, where they use their bills to swipe or slice through vegetation to access insects or small prey hiding in foliage. This behavior showcases their adaptability in foraging techniques. Mating system variability. The mating systems of toucans can vary among species. Some are monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds, while others may exhibit polygamous or cooperative breeding behaviors. Interaction with toucanets. Toucanets, also known as Arocorus, are smaller members of the toucan family. They share similar habitats and may even nest in the same tree as larger toucans. The relationship between toucans and toucanets in the wild is an interesting aspect of their ecology. Juvenile plumage changes. Toucan chicks typically have different plumage colors compared to adults. As they mature, their feathers gradually transition into the vibrant colors characteristic of their species. Role in seed germination. Toucans contribute to seed germination by ingesting fruits and later excreting seeds in different locations. This helps disperse seeds away from the parent tree, promoting the establishment of new plants. Threats from predators. Toucans face predation threats, particularly from raptors, snakes, and larger birds of prey. Their alertness, agility, and group behaviors can help mitigate these threats. Temperature regulation through bill. Toucans use their bills for thermoregulation, and studies suggest that the blood vessels in the bill may act as a thermal radiator, helping them dissipate excess heat in hot environments. Vocal communication during flight. Toucans are known to vocalize during flight, creating a distinct sound as they move through the forest canopy. These vocalizations likely serve communication purposes within the flock. Role in forest ecosystems. Toucans play a vital role in maintaining the health of forest ecosystems. Their foraging behaviors contribute to seed dispersal, influencing the distribution and diversity of plant species. Climate resilience. Toucans are adapted to tropical climates, but some species show resilience to a range of environmental conditions. Understanding their ability to adapt to different climates is important for conservation efforts. Avian eruptions. In some regions, toucans may undergo avian eruptions, where they experience fluctuations in population size and may temporarily move into new areas in search of food resources. Zoo conservation programs. Toucans are often featured in zoo conservation programs, where efforts are made to breed and reintroduce them into the wild. These programs contribute to the preservation of genetic diversity and the overall health of toucan populations. Seasonal movements. Some toucan species exhibit seasonal movements in response to changes in food availability or climatic conditions. These movements may involve short-distance shifts within their home range. The complex and multifaceted life of toucans reveals a range of fascinating behaviors, adaptations, and ecological roles. Whether it's their unique bills, vibrant plumage, or contributions to forest dynamics, toucans continue to be subjects of scientific inquiry and conservation efforts. Human interaction and urbanization. Toucans are sometimes found in urban and suburban areas, especially where there is a mix of trees and human habitation. Their adaptability to these environments brings them into proximity with human activities. Cavity nesting adaptations. Toucans are cavity nesters, utilizing natural tree hollows or abandoned woodpecker nests. They may also modify existing cavities to suit their nesting requirements. Color vision and food selection. Toucans are believed to have excellent color vision, which aids in their ability to select ripe fruits. This visual acuity allows them to distinguish between various hues, helping them locate and choose optimal food sources. Role in tourism and conservation awareness. Toucans, with their vibrant appearance, are often featured in ecotourism initiatives. Their popularity in the tourism industry can contribute to conservation awareness and support for protecting their natural habitats. Zoo enrichment activities. In captivity, toucans are provided with enrichment activities in zoo settings to stimulate their natural behaviors. This can include puzzle feeders, foraging challenges, and opportunities for social interactions. Disease threats. Like many bird species, toucans are susceptible to diseases, including avian malaria. Disease monitoring and research are essential components of conservation efforts to ensure the health of wild populations. Feeding strategies. Toucans use their bills not only for reaching fruits but also for precise feeding. Their bills allow them to pluck individual fruits from branches without damaging surrounding vegetation. Role in seedling recruitment. Toucans contribute to seedling recruitment in forests by dispersing seeds away from the parent tree. This process is vital for the regeneration of plant species and maintaining biodiversity. Impacts of climate change. Climate change can affect toucan populations by altering the distribution and abundance of their food sources. Understanding these potential impacts is crucial for conservation planning. Eggshell coloration. Toucan eggs have distinctive colors and patterns. The pigmentation in the eggshell may serve protective functions, such as camouflage, or play a role in thermoregulation during incubation. Variation in vocalizations. Toucans exhibit a variety of vocalizations, each serving different purposes. These can include contact calls, warning calls, and specific vocalizations associated with courtship and mating. Research on bill structure. Ongoing research focuses on understanding the biomechanics and structural adaptations of toucan bills. This includes investigating how the bills withstand forces during feeding and other behaviors. Genetic diversity. Maintaining genetic diversity within toucan populations is crucial for their long-term survival. Conservation efforts often involve monitoring genetic health and considering strategies to prevent inbreeding. The life of toucans is a dynamic interplay of ecological relationships, behavioral adaptations, and the influence of human activities. Studying these aspects contributes to a deeper understanding of these charismatic birds and informs strategies for their conservation. Social hierarchies. Within toucan flocks, there may be social hierarchies or dominance structures. Agonistic behaviors, such as bill wagging or physical displays, can establish and maintain these social rankings. Regulation of body temperature. Toucans use their large bills not only for dissipating heat but also for regulating their body temperature. By adjusting blood flow to the bill, they can lose excess heat, helping them stay cool in warm climates. Symbiotic relationships. Toucans may engage in symbiotic relationships with other species. For example, they may follow or forage alongside larger animals, such as monkeys, benefiting from the insects and fruits disturbed by their movements. Unique blood characteristics. Toucans have unique blood characteristics, including the ability to carry a higher concentration of oxygen. This adaptation supports their energy-demanding activities, such as flying and foraging. Feeding guilds. Toucans are part of a broader ecological community.